Hello, people. Today we will talk about Marco Rubio. Marco Rubio is an American politician and attorney serving as the senior United States Senator from Florida since 2011. A member of the Republican Party, Rubio is known for his conservative policies, focus on foreign affairs, and his involvement in immigration reform efforts. He gained national attention during his run for the Republican presidential nomination in 2016. Born to Cuban immigrants, Rubio's personal story and political career have positioned him as a prominent voice in the GOP. Marco Antonio Rubio was born on May 28, 1971, in Miami, Florida, to Mario Rubio Reyna and Oriales Garcia, Cuban immigrants who had fled Fidel Castro's regime. His parents initially worked as a bartender and hotel housekeeper, instilling in Rubio a strong sense of family values and the American dream. Rubio was raised in a Catholic household, and his family's background deeply influenced his views on freedom and democracy. During his childhood, the family briefly moved to Las Vegas, Nevada, but returned to Miami. Rubio graduated from South Miami Senior High School and attended Tarkio College in Missouri on a football scholarship before transferring to Santa Fe Community College and later the University of Florida, where he earned a bachelor's degree in political science in 1993. Rubio continued his education at the University of Miami School of Law, earning his Juris Doctor (JD) degree in 1996. Rubio's political career began in 1998 when he was elected to the West Miami City Commission. His career quickly accelerated when he was elected to the Florida House of Representatives in 2000. Rubio represented Florida's 111th district and was soon recognized for his talent in legislative matters. In 2006, Rubio became the first Cuban American to serve as Speaker of the Florida House, a position he held until 2008. During his tenure, he launched a platform called 100 Innovative Ideas for Florida's Future, which was developed through a statewide listening tour and aimed at improving various aspects of state governance. In 2010, Rubio ran for the U.S. Senate in Florida in what became a closely watched race. He ran as a Tea Party candidate advocating for limited government, lower taxes, and a focus on individual freedoms. His grassroots campaign gained traction, and he eventually won the Senate seat, defeating Democrat Kendrick Meek and then Governor Charlie Crist, who ran as an independent after leaving the Republican Party. Since entering the Senate in 2011, Rubio has been a member of key committees, including the Senate Foreign Relations Committee, the Senate Intelligence Committee, and the Committee on Small Business and Entrepreneurship. His legislative focus has spanned a wide range of issues, including national security, tax reform, and immigration. Rubio has been an outspoken advocate for a strong U.S. foreign policy, opposing authoritarian regimes in Latin America, including Cuba and Venezuela. His Cuban heritage has shaped his hardline stance against the Castro regime, and he has consistently called for maintaining U.S. sanctions on Cuba. Rubio is also known for his tough stance on China, advocating for countering China's influence both economically and militarily. Immigration is one of Rubio's most notable policy areas. In 2013, he played a key role in the bipartisan Gang of Eight group that sought to reform U.S. immigration policy. The proposed bill included a pathway to citizenship for undocumented immigrants, increased border security, and reforms to the legal immigration system. While the bill passed the Senate, it faced opposition in the House of Representatives and ultimately did not become law. Rubio later distanced himself from the comprehensive immigration reform bill, which led to some criticism from both conservatives and moderates. Rubio supports conservative economic policies, including tax cuts, deregulation, and a free market economy. He played a significant role in the Tax Cuts and Jobs Act of 2017, which reduced taxes for individuals and businesses. Rubio has also advocated for policies that promote family values, such as expanding the child tax credit to help working families. Rubio has been a strong advocate for increasing U.S. defense spending and maintaining a robust military presence globally. He has consistently argued for measures that strengthen national security, counter terrorism, and protect U.S. interests abroad. Rubio's national profile surged when he announced his candidacy for the Republican presidential nomination in 2016. Running as a young, dynamic leader with a compelling immigrant background, Rubio positioned himself as a center-right candidate who could appeal to a broad range of voters. His campaign slogan, "A New American Century," emphasized a vision for the future grounded in conservative principles. Despite early momentum in a crowded field that included Donald Trump, Ted Cruz, and Jeb Bush, Rubio's debate performances were generally well received, but he faced criticism for his clash with Trump and his inability to win key primary states. After a disappointing finish in his home state of Florida, Rubio suspended his campaign in March 2016. He later endorsed Donald Trump and returned to the Senate, where he continued his legislative work. Marco Rubio married Jeanette Dustebs, a former Miami Dolphins cheerleader, in 1998. The couple has 4 children together: Amanda, Daniela, Anthony, and Dominic. Rubio is known for his strong Roman Catholic faith, though he has also had ties to evangelical Christianity. Marco Rubio is often considered one of the rising stars within the Republican Party. His background as the son of Cuban immigrants and his youthful energy has made him a prominent voice, especially on issues of foreign policy, immigration, and economic reform. He remains influential in shaping U.S. policy, particularly regarding Latin America, and continues to be a prominent figure in Republican politics. Fun facts: Rubio is an avid fan of the Miami Dolphins and is known to frequently reference his love for sports. His autobiography, titled An American Son, was published in 2012 and chronicles his life story and political rise. Rubio has been known to deliver his speeches and addresses in both English and Spanish, appealing to a broad demographic base. Rubio's journey from the son of Cuban immigrants to a key player in U.S. politics has made him one of the most prominent voices in modern conservatism. I ask you to like the video, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. See you later.